Since we already have both of the scrolls we need, I think we should just go for the goal.
I hear you. I wish that we could.
Sakura!
Next, I'm going to teach you the jutsu to revive all of the organs, the entire system. This isn't a jutsu that revolves around healing skills.
But I don't have that much chakra. How can I do it?
That is why I have one other jutsu to teach you. By using it, you're able to keep an enormous amount of chakra in reserve. Not only does it require extremely delicate chakra control, good. You're keeping a constant amount of chakra infused. You must maintain that state for 3 years. Sakura! This shortage will be a hindrance to you during healing and battle.
The 100 Healings Jutsu creates a smaller secondary reserve in which to store the saved-up chakra.
You're such a good girl.
Sakura, how are you doing physically?
Good, since you let me rest.
All right. Oh. Lady Saya, please.
No, I shall take my time. Oh, they're both just so cute.
You're mine!
I am pleasantly plump! This guy's trouble.
Choji! Fatso!
I said I'm pleasantly plump! Partial expansion jutsu!
Choji! Transmission? Ino!
Super expansion jutsu! How about I eat you guys up?
Ino! Puppet imitation jutsu! The Yamanaka clan's reputation is gonna be ruined!
You don't have to tell me that! I shall show them no mercy!
Ino, he's coming this way. Hurry.
When it comes to mind transfer, I'm not going to let anyone defeat the Yamanaka clan.
That's not nice. You can't simply barge into my doll without getting my permission.
As a result, I cannot let you perform any surgery or go onto the battlefield.
I need much, much more chakra. I was always being protected by those two, while I just watched from behind.
How magnificent. I think that you're just about ready to test on Suigetsu. Who's overseeing the experiment?
Karin.
Well, well, I guess wonders never cease.
Well, don't worry. I'm leaving the minute I'm done with this.
I'm not worried. Nobody said they were worried.
I certainly hope that you aren't planning on becoming Orochimaru's pet like she is. Sasuke, seriously, will you help me? I'm so sick and tired of this place.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Lucky me!
This is bad. If Lord Orochimaru finds out about this, then he's gonna take it out on me! What are you still doing here?
I thought it might be interesting to watch the experiment.
That way! Towards 1 o'clock!
Sensory perception?
Ah! No, let go!
Hey, little girl, did you realize that you have a very unusual power?
And if you possess unusual attributes, they come after you. But now, you have a decision to make.
If I have to follow someone, it has to be someone strong. Ugh, damn, a river. What a nuisance.
I know.
Well, I guess I can't fool you, can I? Hey, Sasuke, if you're willing to follow her, why not come with me instead?
What?
Now then, you're up next, Karin.
That's enough, Karin. Put that away.
Sasuke, what was that?
In time, I'll convince these two to join my side.
Wake up, Choji! He's my friend! Ah!
No, that can't be true! I didn't lose! I didn't!
Lady Saya!
Elder sister, you're okay. No, I didn't lose. I didn't, you hear me? I did not lose! I'm going to turn all three of them into puppets and make them clean toilets for 10 years! Especially that blonde sensory type Kunoichi. Sana, you know what to do?
Choji and Ino are almost out of chakra from all these battles. I always relied on Sasuke and Naruto to protect me.
All right, today we're going to step up our training even more. We're taking it to a whole new level.
All right, let's get started!
I have a bad feeling about this.
That's why I've taken the time to make sure that we're making the right choice. I know that Naruto can maintain his own psyche up to a two-tail transformation.
Can you say for sure he won't take you over and end up going on a rampage?
Besides, I still have complete faith in Naruto's ability to master this jutsu.
All right, here goes.
Right.
Here we go!
So bitter and hateful. I feel like my insides are turning black.
Don't hold back. You want power, don't you?
Knock it off!
He's probably forgotten all about you and has already found a better partner.
Rotara, just stay back, okay?
Pervy Sage?
But it's only a few broken ribs and whatnot.
Pervy Sage.
Don't apologize. Sometimes training goes wrong. It's normal.
I was able to hold on to my consciousness up until the third tail appeared. But then I felt this immense power. I won't betray the faith you and the fourth Hokage put in me, Pervy Sage.
I know that Naruto is probably somewhere training hard right this minute.
Sandstorm Jutsu! Puppet Jutsu!
I bet that it's those guys. Haven't they learned their lesson yet? I'll grab whatever images I can and then send them on to you guys. Ino!
From here on, my cursed Zen puppet jutsu will continue to bring forth more. Using sensory abilities on so many is certain to be quite a burden. Mamushi.
Roger!
Now, Sana, you take over. Gladly, elder sister.
Don't push yourself too hard.
Yeah, but
If the three of us can just guard our own line of sight, we'll manage somehow. That's it! Keep coming at me! I'll take you all down!
Soon you won't be able to move!
Choji! Ino! I'm still the one being protected. This isn't right. I know I've changed.
Needs emergency surgery now or he'll die.
We've got to get Lady Tsunade fast.
As a result, I cannot let you perform any surgery or go onto the battlefield.
It's the mind transmission jutsu. Sakura's feelings are flooding into us.
I can't. I don't have enough chakra. No more saying I can't. Because unless I do it... It's just a little. But I feel my chakra replenishing.
You're going to take the tuning exams? Are you serious?
The reserve that contains my normal chakra, and the one for the 100 Healings Jutsu. I want to test my limits. I want to push myself as far as I can by taking part in the exams. And I want to make sure that I honor the trust that they've put in me. Please, let me. Thank you very much.
But whatever happens at the tuning exams will be your responsibility alone.
We had no idea. And we put more pressure on you by asking you to...
No, you're wrong! This time I wanted to challenge myself. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for asking me to join you.
Elder sister, the big one in the blonde can't move anymore. Soon, Big Forehead will.
I will protect Choji and Ino no matter what! I'll end this!
I didn't lose! I didn't! There's no way that I would ever lose!
Hey, how are you feeling? I extracted the venom. The numbness will wear off soon.
Oh, I'm glad that we asked you to join our team.
Ino.
That's right. I'm happy about it as well.
I guess I should say thank you too.
Let's get going to the central tower.
We're almost at the finish line of the second exam!